few days are left until the magic night we love each year. The night when all the witches meet someplace we don't know where. Through silver clouds and moonlit air they follow stars to meet somewhere. Deep in the forest where shadows play lives a kind witch preparing for the day. The forest animals are coming out trying to play. They never can stay out of her way. Sweeping and cleaning where the tall trees lean, with rabbits and robins that dance in between. Cleaning is done, her place is now neat. Sofia climbs the stairs with careful feet. Her broom is ready, Sofia is too. It's time to fly and gather the witch crew. On the other side of our planet, in the mountains, snowy and high, another witch is getting ready at the same time. Runa, the snow witch, in her cave so cold and bright, packing up the last few things before she starts her flight. Dishes to wash and floors to sweep, a long list of chores. There is no time for sleep when she's done. It's time to get ready, a long flight awaits. Take it slow, take it steady, far away from the cold and snow, where mosses sway and willows grow. The witch of the wetlands lives around here. It can be hard to find her. Listen closely with your ear.